Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Cancer, let's go a little deeper today. Let's see how you're feeling, how your partner's feeling, and what are the energies which are aligned between the two of you now. So, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Cancer, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Cancer, please, my angels. Oops. The card of pause popped out, Cancer for you. So any kind of delay or a pause going on in your relationship? Let's see why this card is here. Let's open your cards and check this out. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the wonderful comments, your likes, your shares, the support you're sending to the channel. I'm very blessed. Thank you. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you to Cancer. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you to the Omkara family. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And for the duration of the reading, Cancer, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. You'll know which side you resonate best with, right? And yes, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Yes, like I said, there's a bit of stagnation going on maybe in your love life here, Cancer, because of the Knight of Pentacles in reverse as well. This again is a card of stagnation, and we've already got the pause card from Spirit. So let's open your cards now and see what's going on. Five of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and the Queen of Cups. All right, let's see person B. The Fool, Two of Wands, the Strength card, Three of Wands, King of Cups, and the Empress. So I have an equal match here though, Cancer. I have the Queen of Cups, which is your card, with the King of Cups here. Except the Queen of Cups is a bit upset right now, I think, feeling a bit emotional or emotionally drained out right now. Maybe this King of Cups has been, kind of manipulating this Queen and now her cup has run dry. I don't know, but yes, there's a bit upset because this Queen of Cups is, instead of being the Queen of Cups upright, this Queen of Cups has now brought her sword up now. They're not happy. They're not happy with the way their investment in this relationship is growing, or they feel maybe their partner's not putting in enough investment for a happily ever after maybe. Now this person on person B side, this is just an overall energy. I will of course clarify all these cards. This person is feeling like quite the fool right now. Maybe they didn't make a decision and now they are feeling a little intimidated, I think, waiting, seeing what, they seem to be waiting, I think. But they do see this feminine in a very high light. This is the Empress, okay? For them, this is be all and end all. Let's clarify these cards and see what's happening here. So, Spirit of Cancer and their person wanted to say something to each other. What could that be? Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person, if they could say something to each other. Thank you. And some from here. Cancer and their person, Spirit. One more. Oops, too many. Just one more, Spirit. Cancer and their person. And I'm going to take some true confessions here as well. Let's see what's going on. What's the root of the problem? Cancer and their person spirit. All right, good to go. And let's begin our reading now, Cancer. The first card here says, I wonder if there is someone else who can make you happier than I can. I wonder if there is someone else who can make you happier than I can. Because they are seeing that person A is not very happy at the moment. They are not feeling satisfied. They are feeling rather stuck, and they've got their sword up now. They are not feeling at their best right now. So this King of Cups is probably now kind of waiting, thinking, feeling I've lost my strength in this connection now. Maybe there's somebody else out there who maybe this person A wants or can have, I don't know. I miss you so much that it feels like there is a real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. Yes, this King of Cups, like I said, is sometimes a bit manipulative, right? They don't show all their emotions. They have this big cup of love in one hand, and then they have the bow and arrow in the other. So they'll never really put their emotions fully out there. So even though feeling a lot of love for their partner, they're saying, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to show you how much I really miss you or care for you. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Oh my God. These two cards are identical, aren't they? I'm missing you, but I'm not going to show you. This one says, telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. But now I think they have to, because they've recognized that this person is their person. They see person A in very, very high light. They see them as their empress now. And they know that now there is no love being shown from person A's side. This person has kind of drained out all their love as much as they could, and now they have none to give. And now they have their sword up, right? So now this King of Cups is now kind of shaking in their boots to say, hey, I know I'll have to say it, but I don't want to say it. It's really hard for me to, say it. Maybe you'll be happier with somebody else, that kind of shaky feeling. Intuitively know that we will unite. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. I intuitively know that we will unite in divine timing. So yes, maybe somebody's left it to the universe and God and said, hey, make it happen. I don't want to be able to say it. You don't have to build an empire alone. Let me build it with you. You don't have to build an empire alone. Let me build one with you. That's what I think person A is saying. That why are you always leaving me out? Or why are you always making me feel neglected and abandoned and ghost me and leave me stuck all the time? If you are saying you're busy, let's say all the time with your work or whatever, why don't you include me in so we can be a power couple, be together? Left off on bad terms with so many things left unsaid. Yes, your last meeting could have been a little uncomfortable here, Cancer. No wonder the sword is up. And yes, somebody is feeling rather foolish and feeling like they kind of lost their strength now in this connection. But they're still waiting. They haven't given up. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier. My God, is this person listening to me? I just said they're not giving up, and the next card that comes is giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. I think this is person A saying that. They're saying, hey, I can't live in this pain forever. I always feel abandoned. I always feel neglected. I always feel stuck all the time. My harvest is not growing. I was looking for this, happily ever after, the, four of wands kind of energy between us. But here I am sitting depleted. So I think it's better off that I leave. It seems an easier option than having to deal with any more pain coming from you of being, not appreciated. I honestly don't think anyone will love you more than I do. Just saying. Yes, this Queen of Cups has. I think you both have a lot of love for each other, to be honest. Except that this Queen of Cups is the only person who's been pouring and pouring and pouring, while this King of Cups, even though they have a lot of love in their heart, they've been a little manipulative emotionally. They've been taking but not giving as much. So, yes, next card, last card says, you deserve to be loved and you are special. Yes, they know that. This King of Cups knows that their Empress is the Empress. They know that, this Empress deserves love and that this is a very special connection, special person. But let's see, are they going to come forward or is this Queen going to give up? Five of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, person A has always felt rejected, I'll be honest. Person A has always felt rejected, dejected, being left out, bored, sad, always felt that their partner kind of turned their back on them and always kind of left them out in the cold. And person A is now tired of being in the stuck position, of being in the hangman's energy, never knowing where this connection is going next. Hanged Man, Spirit, Hanged Man. Yes, I think now finally some enlightenment has come to person A. Well, I think they've picked up their sword now and said, hey, listen, I can't wait around anymore. Like, this is a card of somebody who's been through many battles and still standing there with their last wand and saying, hey, I'm going to try one more time. I'm hurt, I'm tired, I'm bruised, but I still have that last wand. I'm not going to give up. But this card has come in reverse for person A. I think this person is now tired. They are exhausted. They can't do this anymore. So instead of waiting now or being always feeling bored and rejected and neglected, I think this Queen of Swords has now finally picked up their sword to say, hey, listen, I'm taking stock now of all the investment which has been put, not put, what has grown, what has not grown, and whether it works for me now. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, yes, they feel that they've received very little. They've received very, very little in this connection, and they don't want to be in a connection which, yes, they're looking for justice. They don't want to be in anything where there is competition, there is conflict, there is fighting, there are arguments. They just want justice to the fact that, I keep giving and I get so little in, I've been putting in 7. I've been putting in all these pentacles and my partner's only been putting in 1. This is not justice. This is not balance. Right? So this person is now looking for justice in their life. 7 of Pentacles, Spirit. 7 of Pentacles. Yes, they feel if you're going to juggle me, then I'll make the decision. I don't want to be in a place where I'm always by myself. I'm overthinking. I feel bound. I'm stressed. I am now I'm cutting, I have a big sword here in my hand. I'm cutting off all these ropes. I'm removing the blindfold from my eyes and I'm not waiting for you to make a decision. I'll make the decision now. I'm dropping the ball. I'm going to drop the ball now. So, 4 of Wands, Spirit. 4 of Wands. 4 of Wands. I think this person A, whoever this person A is very, very intelligent, I would say. Yes, they are kind of, I don't think they're creating any drama or anything like that. I think they've decided to sneak away from this connection quietly. Look at them looking behind. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. But if you can't give it to me, I'll quietly leave the scene and move on to become the Empress for myself. I'm going to start growing and building on my own for me. I will build my own four of wands, I'll build my own stability, and I'm not going to be in a connection where people are always kind of leaving me or always leaking out on me or never offering me, this commitment or stability. I'm going to now concentrate on myself and become the best version of myself. I think that this realization has only come after I think this person has felt very, very depleted. Very depleted. I mean, every drop of their love has been given. So I think now they are spending time on replenishing not just their cup, but also trying to move away to like a calmer place, leave all the conflict behind, and concentrate on becoming the best version of themselves for themselves. So, Queen of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person is healing big time. And they're being guided as well. I think this person is being, I can't say this could be you if you're the feminine here, but you are being guided, you are healing, because this this was dehydration, to be very honest, okay? There was no water left in your cup. So I think right now, you are now here, look at this person, pouring into the lake and being one with nature. This is basically replenishing your energies. And you've only managed to do it after you decided, hey, I'm not going to be in conflict anymore. And yes, you are being guided and you are now becoming this empress now. Queen above all queens. And that's exactly how this King of Cups is now viewing you. So let's see the Fool in reverse. Let's see person B, where they're at. Fool in reverse, Spirit. Fool in reverse. This is Fool in reverse. They don't want to finish this chapter with the person A. They are feeling so foolish now. They're feeling so foolish. They are also doing the same thing what person A has been doing. Just as person A took stock of who did what and how much investment was put and not feeling happy with the partnership or the give and take between the two of you, I think person B is doing the exact same thing. They're also now looking, oh my God, I was such a fool. I was such a fool. I never invested in this connection. I never put in when the time was right. What did I do? I'm now feeling I made a mistake here. They don't want this chapter to shut down with person A at all, right? But what's this Two of Wands now, Spirit? Two of Wands in reverse. Yes, they feel that person A has absolutely shut the door on them. They feel person A has called judgment on this relationship. They have put this relationship to a total close, and that person A has made a decision to end this relationship with them. That's what person B is thinking. But they're still hoping that maybe, I can do something that doesn't shut it out completely. Strength in reverse, Spirit. Strength in reverse. Now this person is seeing things from a higher perspective. They are understanding why person A has kind of blocked them maybe, or why is person A being that defensive. They're recognizing their own immature behavior and it's not making them feel good. It's in fact, they have a loss of courage and strength at the moment. I don't think this person knows what to do except maybe wait for, I think, person A to cool down. They are waiting for the right moment to come, divine timing, right? They're waiting for when the time will be right, when, person A will cool down, relax, so that they can maybe try once again, maybe. Three of Wands. Three of Wands. One more. All right. So this person is, like I said, they are waiting. They are waiting for person B to calm down, cool down, They're being patient, they're waiting for divine timing, and when they feel the time is right, they want to come in and romance or kind of be that romantic hero once again, and bring that offer of love or an apology and kind of re-begin maybe, or just make up with person A, right? They want to come in smooth. uh, but as much as they're coming in as the King of Cups, Cancer, this person actually has a lot of love, to be honest. I mean, they're pretending to be this King of Cups, but in their heart, I think that they do have a lot of love. Let's see. But they try and hide it most of the time. King of Cups, King of Cups, King of Cups. Yes. This King of Cups is right now, they don't have the courage. They don't have the courage to face person A, as much as they want to come back and take back control of this relationship, as much as they want to now appear as the emperor to the empress. This person doesn't know what action to take right now. They're feeling a little intimidated, I'll be honest with you. And yes, the love is there. The love is there. Maybe in the past they were not showing it, or being manipulative, or just taking all the love from person A. But now they want to do the right thing. They want to kind of show up as the emperor now, because now they realize that there's an empress on the other side, right? So they want to match this empress's energy. But right now I don't think they have the confidence to make a move. Why? Because now they see that their person has really glowed up. Empress spirit. What's this? Empress. Empress for person B. Empress for person B. Empress for person B. Oh, this person is not happy at all. They're standing here at crossroads now. They don't know what to do. They don't know what should be their next move. They don't have the courage, confidence, because they know their partner is probably upset and angry with them. They know that their partner is now turned the empress and has actually left them out in the cold, and they are feeling the brunt of it. They're really feeling abandoned. They're feeling sad. They're feeling neglected. They're feeling the lack of warmth of this empress, because the empress is facing away from them now, saying, hey, I've done my bit, all my love I'm keeping for myself, now I'm the queen above all queens. And this person is really feeling the pain of it now, I'll be honest. Okay, so yes, there is a pause going on, not because of lack of love, but because of lack of courage here now, because of somebody's naughty, emotionally manipulative behavior. So right now, I think, heart of hearts, neither of you are happy here, Cancer. Knight of Wands and the Ace of Swords. Yes. Nine of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Cups. I think both of you are really not happy without the other. Both of you know that this is a very special connection. You both kind of hoping for a return. You both have good, sweet memories of each other as well. I think you both are taking, or at least one of you is taking some time out to reflect now. Taking some time out to heal, reflect, think about how important this relationship truly is for them. And not feeling happy that, there is a separation or something. Knight of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Somebody wants to have clear communication now, but right now there's a stalemate going on here between this Queen of Cups and this King of Swords. Even though they want to come forward with some kind of communication, there's still kind of a bit of a stalemate going on because this Queen of Cups is kind of closed off at the moment. They had this big cup of love which got drained out. I think they found a cap for it. They've put a cap on that, cup of love, and they are not kind of really, maybe even energetically offering it to this person. So at the moment, I see neither of you making any decision and not taking any action. I think this is going to be a week of actually, sitting by yourselves and understanding this connection. This is also very important. It's like the heart gets fonder, distance makes the heart grow fonder. So, Ace of Pentacles, Spirit, Ace of Pentacles. Yes, there's a lot of reflection, a lot of enlightenment, and understanding of all the toxicity that has happened in this relationship. Yes. Somebody is now, so I think this is person B, who's right now going through this enlightenment as to why this relationship didn't take off. Now they're recognizing all the toxicity which happened. Maybe there were, games being played, or there was fear, there was anger, there were fights, or whatever there was. Now they're understanding the role that they played in damaging the chance of having a brand new beginning, and this is really burdening to them. They can't get over. See, look at this person. Now enlightened to the fact, oh my God, what did I do? What did I do? No wonder this brand new beginning is not being offered to me anymore. So I would say it's a very, very good week for you guys, Cancer. This pause is good because, you have to break that cycle of people taking you for granted as well. So let this person be for a little while. The stagnancy is going to actually open their eyes to actually see what this connection is, appreciate each other, I guess, and maybe never repeat the same mistakes again. All right? So, Cancer, that's all I have for you. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.